For me, I'm not only learning like listening, speaking, those stuffs. I can also learn something like how to do the research essay, including do the reference in the right way, like APA or other types. So that's really helpful.
After consulting, I chose my colleagues because they are expert of our colleagues. They gave so many useful information and support to me.
After I entered this school, they just make this decision stronger that I'm 100% sure I'm going to do that.
I have many good memories from my LSC. The University Pathway program was really important for me, especially to develop some skills in this academic field. It's really easy for me to write my essays, my reports, and I feel more comfortable talking with my professors and my classmates.